Generative AI is like having a magical computer friend that can create things like stories, pictures, music, and even conversations all by itself. It's like having a super creative robot buddy. Imagine you have a box, and you can ask this box to make up stories, draw pictures, or compose music, and it will do it for you. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just copy things it already knows. It can come up with brand new stuff that nobody has ever seen or heard before. Generative AI is like a super smart and creative computer program that can use what it's learned from lots of things on the internet to make new stuff. It's kind of like when you learn from books and teachers to come up with your own ideas, but this AI can do it really, really fast and on a much bigger scale. People use generative AI for lots of things, like making art, writing stories, helping with scientific research, and even in making video games. It's a bit like having a magical, creative assistant that can help people be more imaginative and inventive. So, it's a really exciting and powerful tool that people all around the world are using to do all sorts of amazing things.